American mobility is stalled, but that doesn't mean people aren't still moving. Hi, I'm Bradley Sherman. I'm an author and a strategist, and I'm working on a new book right now called The Geography of Prosperity, a new map of the American dream. And in this book, we take a look at one of the most misunderstood yet vitally important parts of a city's future, which is population renewal. And this new data that's come out by the Census Department and reported on by multiple outlets illustrates that there are three big states that are winners in the past year in terms of people moving there. And those are the Carolinas, both North and South Carolina, as well as Idaho. Now, there are other states that are still growing. Make no mistake about that. The biggest ones from the past 10 to 20 years or so, states like Texas and Florida, they're still seeing a net migration of people coming in, but they're also starting to see a greater churn of people leaving as well. And this means that there's some volatility in their market. Obviously, we're taking a look at housing prices too, and there are strange things happening in places that historically have been depressed, at least for the last 50 to 60 years, cities across the Midwest. In fact, one of the fastest growing in terms of cost areas in the country is the city of South Bend, Indiana. Now, why are Americans moving? Well, it's much of the same. Americans are moving primarily because of cost. They're looking for affordable housing nationwide. And this has largely driven the migration of people from northern states to southern states. And when I talk about affordability, that's both in terms of the total cost of the house plus the taxes they have to pay. But as things start to shift in the coming years, as insurance markets start to collapse, especially in areas that are exposed to extreme weather events more often, they'll see insurance prices increase as well. That's part of what might be happening in Florida, for example. And that also might indicate why northern states and those that are hugging the Great Lakes region, those are mostly considered to be safer climate zones. Those places might actually see a lot more growth in the coming years. So what do you think? Are you ready to move? And if you move, where are you going? Leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and of course, follow me on my Substack for deeper dives into the future of people and places at populationnext.com.